Hello, and welcome back again to another day, another review with Kaushik and Kavya.
Yeah, so we are back with yet another Netflix #1 series, which is Sare Jahan Se Acha.
Yeah, so on the occasion of Independence Day, this was released on Netflix on 13th of August. I binged watched it in a night. She took some time to complete it. I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't have watched it. So yeah, let's come down to it.
Yeah, if you like series which are secret agencies related, then you're gonna love this series because it gives us insight about the past कि कैसे क्या हुआ था हिस्ट्री में इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान के, कैसे एक न्यूक्लियर पावर कंट्री बनने में क्या था उसका हिस्ट्री, हमने कैसे बनाने की कोशिश की थी, यूएस ने कैसे रोका था और पाकिस्तान ने कैसे बनाने की कोशिश की थी और हमारे एजेंट्स ने किस तरह से उसको रोकने की कोशिश की थी.
So basically the story dates back to the 1970s when the RAW was formed. As we all know, Research and Analysis Wing, which is our secret services of India, and similarly ISI is a very old secret service agency of Pakistan. So this whole series was about the tussle between the two agencies, how Pakistan was trying to procure a nuclear weapon. India and its secret agencies helped stopped it. Pratik Gandhi is playing an Indian agent.
बहुत ही अच्छी एक्टिंग की कि लगता ही नहीं है कि वो कोई और इंसान है अदर देन द पर्सन दैट इज प्लेइंग.
And Sunny Hinduja is playing the ISI chief. Then there is Anup Soni from Crime Patrol. सतर्क रहें, सावधान रहें. He also has a brilliant role in this.
अब लगा ही नहीं कि हमने उसको पहले कभी देख रखा है उतना अच्छे से because he did his job very well.
Then there's Kritika Sharma also, who is playing a Pakistani journalist, who also plays a very important role in how we were able to stop Pakistan from making the nuclear weapon before us. And the rest is history. We all know they became a nuclear nation 24 years after we
India
became a nuclear nation.
Yeah.
And then there are also few actors. I'll keep them as surprises for you. But yeah, they are really good. It's based on true events, of course, and on those heroes of our nation जिनको really कभी reward or recognition नहीं मिलती है, but they still give their lives for the country. I don't know, I always say that I might have been a freedom fighter in some life. It just gives me goosebumps to watch spy movies and crime series like this. Even Salakar also came around the same time, and stories are also much similar, but I loved Sare Jahan Se Acha much more than Salakar.
Correct.
Because Salakar was more about one person, the NSH. Of course, Ajit Doval, we all know him, but this is like the foundation of RAW of India.
कितने सारे लोग ऐसे सीक्रेटली वहाँ काम करते हैं विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट देयर ओन फैमिली एंड देयर ओन लाइव्स एंड ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट इंडिया. मेरे हिसाब से तो बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट थी.
इसमें बहुत डिटेल में दिखाया गया है एंड वेरी क्लोजली. बहुत सारी सीरीज में दिखाया जाता है that how difficult the life of Indian spies are in enemy nations, and what is their life and how they live with the threat of losing their life each and every day.
नॉट जस्ट देम बट उनके साथ वहाँ उनकी रहती हुई फैमिली भी कितनी ज्यादा डेंजर में होती है, प्लस उनकी फैमिली जो घर पे है वो भी कितना ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब रहते हैं बिकॉज दे नेवर सी देयर फेस फॉर 5 years, 6 years, 10 years even down the line. So yeah, I mean big sacrifices, salute to them, big salute to them. So yeah, overall a very very good series, a must watch.
We really loved it and you should definitely watch it. Netflix trending #1 right now.
Yeah, what would you rate the casting?
Casting, I think I would rate a 4. So
Okay.
why I'm cutting one
Yeah.
point is I'll say the Pakistan president, it was a very important role.
Yeah.
और वो बहुत ही बेसिक किसी को दिया जो
हाँ.
बिल्कुल मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी, ना उसकी एक्टिंग ना उसकी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस.
Correct.
देन इंडिया का जो चीफ जिसको प्रतीक गांधी रिपोर्ट कर रहा था, आई थिंक दैट कुड हैव बीन आल्सो बेटर. देयर आर मनोज वाजपेयी, देन देयर इज के मेनन who is doing amazing job as a raw agent. So there was a lot of options. So that could have better. So I'll give it a 4.
From my end, it is 4.5. I liked everyone apart from the Pakistan president. And then the storyline
To say it's a true story and
Yeah.
it was very nicely portrayed. So I would give it a 5.5.
5 on 5. Yeah,
absolutely.
same from my end. So the overall rating is 4.5. So yeah, that's all. If you watched this series, do let us know how did you like it or not. So like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Pause.
Okay, sis.